Hello Lana, welcome to Soil Science and Soil Physics course. My name is Nelly Dhuku and I'll be taking you through this course. So, soil science is generally the study of soil as a natural resource on the surface of the earth, including its formation, how was it formed, classification, mapping, physical and chemical, biological and fertility properties. So in this course, we're going to look at the classification of soil, how it is mapped, the physical properties, the chemical, the biological properties, and also how fertile is the soil. So it involves understanding how soils interact with living organisms, including plants, and how soils can be managed to support agriculture. The first topic on this course will be soil sampling and soil testing, and the following are the learning outcomes. Number one, differentiate. You'll be able to differentiate between soil sampling and soil testing because these are two different processes, so you'll be able to differentiate between the two. Outline the objectives and importance of carrying out soil sampling and soil testing. What are the importances of carrying out these two processes? Number three, you'll be able to identify the tools to be used in these processes. What are the different tools and by their names that are used in these two processes? Number four, you'll be able to understand the different soil sampling techniques and methods. You just don't go to the field and start sampling your soil or collecting soil samples. There's strategic methods or techniques that are to be used, and you will get to know them and how they work. Number five, data interpretation. How are you going to interpret? How are you going to present? How are you going to analyze the data collected from your soil samples? Okay, the following are the learning tasks that you'll be able to carry out. Number one, you'll be able to select a site or a field where you'll be carrying out soil sampling, or where you'll be getting the soil samples, because this course is more of practical skills. So you get to find a site or a field to carry out this process. Number two, you'll take samples to the lab. That is, after collecting the soil samples, you take them to the lab for soil testing. You will come up with the correct data on the soil sample tested. That is why we were talking about data interpretation. Number four, you'll be able to participate in group works, group discussions, and discussion forums where you can exchange your ideas with your peers and your colleagues. And number five, you'll take a self-assessment test and also undertake some quizzes within the course. So I hope we have a very interactive learning process. Yeah, I wish you all the best.